Hello, magicians. Today is 28th of June. As usual, we are having this June AMA with our CEO, Mr. Owen Tao. And just for your information, Owen just released from a 7-day quarantine because he has been identified as a cross contact and as a result of visiting a shopping mall. So why don't you, Owen, share with us what's the life like being quarantined in a hotel? Is it a hotel?
No, it's not in a hotel. It's some place such as some place like Airbnb. Yeah.
Okay, just like A and B. So the environment is good, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Just not feel not free. Everything is okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. So good that you have been released from the quarantine. Then, and because of the COVID, our office has kinds of operation on hold, and because there is a wave in Shanghai and then to Beijing. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing good there and stay safe. All right. So today's AMA we have two sections. One is we have to summarize the roadmap delivery. And then the second part will be about the questions from a community and then addressed by our CEO, Owen. So why don't we start with the roadmap issue? Owen, could you please share us with some updates about the progress of this stage 5 in our roadmap? Could you share with us some progress? Thank you.
Okay. The first part is the method platform for NFT trading. I think most of this part work has been finished. Till now, I think we can support all the mainly kind of blockchain platforms, NFT minting and trading. Yeah, we have updated our IPFS storage and also our API for the matrix. Now, if you keep your data and your algorithm on the matrix IPFS, you can use it to mint NFT on any kind of the mainly blockchain platform, such as the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Polygon, and something else. And the second one is the ecosystem of the NFT for trading of computing power, algorithm, and data. I think most of the work has been finished, and till now we can support all kinds of we can support all the mainly blockchain platform to mint NFT with the algorithm models and the data which has been stored on our matrix mainnet. And also we have already introduced one partners who will use our NFT as its main functions in their project. Then the project name is the artist. The next part, we have already started the work to allow all kinds of the computer powers which are not our miners can connecting to on our network. This will still it will take some more time to finish all the work. After that, I think the all parts of this will be finished. The last part is the generalized automatic machine learning. This work has been delayed most in our stage 5 mainly works. I think it will be finished in July. Yeah, it will be being finished in July. Till now, we have started to connect Manta in with our main network, and in next month we will invite some partners who will use our Manta and our automatic machine learning platform to support their work and their business. and you will get more details in the next month. And also another some update about our miners platform. I think we will finish the most work of miners this month, and you will the business fee transaction and also all the accounting and billing information will be updated on our blockchain. So you will use the miners all based on our matrix main network. Yeah, that's some updates from me, and you will get more new informations in the some coming weeks. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Owen. Allow me to drill down to certain detail. When you talk about the mainnets, are you saying that we are going to deploy the mainnets to the matrix mainnet this month, this June, right?
Yeah. Soon,
Okay,
all the data and all the transaction and also the algorithm running will be supported by our mainnet, and you can check all the data of your account and all your API using information on our blockchain. Yeah.
Okay, and then the third item that you update is about the mentor or the generalized auto machine learning. So it will be ready in July because of the COVID. We have certain operation issues. So and then we will have the partners to test mentor, and then we can expect that in July. And I think the COVID is something that out of our control, and I think it can be understood. And then the second item is the first and the second item is on track. And then I have a question from Elk when it comes to the ecosystem of NFT trading, computer power, of government model and data. It says upgrading and opening up for computing power from other sources than mining machines to geometrics. Could you give a little more details for this one? What does that exactly mean?
It means when you're we have lots of the miners in our mainnet, and when your machines are not working for mining, the computing power of your machine will be rent for someone who need that. The mainly job till now for us is to running the Manta. Yeah, you can. Anyone who want to use our Manta platform, they want to use our Manta to training their algorithms models. They will use the computing power from the free miners in our network. Yeah.
Okay, so it's still about the miners within matrix, but that statement is from other sources, not our mining machines. Is that what you refer to?
Till now we can support all kinds of the mining machines to connect in our network, but I think in the coming months we will solve these problems. We will allow all kinds of the miner machines. I think mainly for the CPU, GPU, and the TPU. With this core of the machines, I think they can connect to our network and offer the computing power to the customers who need the computing power to training their algorithm models. Yeah, but I think the ASIC chips will not be allowed in our network.
Okay, I see. So aside from these four items, we have a fifth item that is the Angel Wallet that we have been tested the stage one. So I know the EcoPartner is doing the UI upgrade, and then that we will keep the community informed as well. So this is also another deliverables in stage 5, which is extra. All right, so that concludes the first part of this AMA. And let's move on to the second part, which is about the questions from the matricians. And today we have screened a total of 9 questions. from the community. Yep, the first one from Oma55, you say, will we be able to issue our own token over the main network in the future?
The answer is yes. You don't need to wait in the future. Right now, you can put your smart contract on the Matrix network and issue your own token right now. Yeah, our mainnet has already supported this function.
Okay, so speaking of this, do we have any guide or menus to kinds of set up or create on their own token on our main network?
Okay, well, I will ask the technology team to offer one, and we can publish it in the coming weeks. Yeah.
Okay, good. So I will mark it down. Okay. And then the second questions are from Amazon07. Do you think the GPU mining will be ready before the Ethereum POS update?
Yeah, in our ecosystem, in fact, the GPU mining for us is the Manta. Yeah, I think the first version of the Manta for public to use. I think it will be ready before the Ethereum POS updating.
Okay, so and then we are again talking about July next month.
Yeah, I think after that, after we have already invite some partners to testing our network, I think the miners, all kinds of the customers who can connect their GPU machines to our main network, and also if they can serve some customers, they will get paid and the revenue from them. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So if ever, by any chance, it will be later than July, so we will keep the community informed. But let's hope for the July we have this GPU mining first version to be ready. And then Bud Spencer 469, is the Opal project dependent on Matrix, or can these services be substituted?
Yeah, I think the thing is, we can't say our service are non-substituted, but in fact, we have lots of the advantages in lots of the AI areas, such as the predictive maintenance. Steve's team has a lot of the experience, and we run lots of the price, and also we have already practiced in lots of the projects. So I think in some areas our artificial intelligence technologies and our service are the best in China and maybe all over the world. So we can't say we are replaced, but we have lots of the advantage, and in the future we are still want to offer more support to the OBOR projects. Yeah.
Okay. So talking about Opal, there is another question from Kai Han Ostuk. Hi, Owen. Can you please share an update on ongoing projects such as TBA, Opal, and others?
Yeah. First, for the TBA, the projects we have worked with TBA is coming to the end, and we have already finished most of the work for this project, and it's most of them are under testing right now. And I think in this year, and we will finish all of our work in this project. For OBOR, we have already done lots of things in Xinjiang province to support the OBOR province, and most of them are in the energy industry, such as we have supported the Chinese electrical group to build their smart electric factory in Xinjiang, and we have already provide lots of the artificial intelligence solutions for them to make the energy transactions more safer and faster. Yeah, and I in the future, most of the solutions we will introduce them to our Magneto platform, and we will make them to as generalized services. We can provide them to the all kinds of the companies who will use these solutions. And if you want to use our services in Magneto, you also need to use our computing power on our Manta network. Yeah, that's our plan. Yeah.
Yeah, to share, Magneto has been kinds of a hot topic in the community. So the community is expecting that as well. So all things are quite excited. Then it goes to the next question. Does your project use zero knowledge proof technology?
Till now, the zero knowledge proof technology hasn't been used in our main network, but it will be used in some key functions in our ecosystem, such as our Manta platform. It will use the zero knowledge proof technology. And also in our plan, we will develop products which are about the decentralized ID. Yeah, in that project, I think will also use the zero knowledge proof technology. Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's not now, but it will, right?
Yeah.
Good.
And we have already used some of them in our Manta platform.
Okay, good. Good to know. And then you talk about DID and then relate to BioWallet. And this question is from Sloak78. Is it possible to include a password manager like Dashlane or RoboForm, etc., to the BioWallet?
I think it's a good suggestion, but in our plan, I think we want to use the biology informations to create a new wallet or the DID. It means we want to the customers who will not use the password anymore. We want to free their memories. They won't need to remember a very complicated the password. So in our opinions, I think that we will just use the biology informations to replace the password. Yeah, that's our plan.
Yeah. So yeah, good. Slow egg. So our answer is our technology is more advanced, and we just want to use the fingervine bioinformation to replace the password, so that you don't even remember. You don't even have to remember the passwords. So it's many steps ahead of this one. So yeah, just stay tuned of the DID. Yeah. And then continue to a question from anonymous. And then the interesting thing is this matrician, when he submitted these questions and he tried to hide the information, and then he asked, if I put anonymous, then how do you contact me if my question got selected? And that's something interesting. All right, so I don't know how to contact you, but here is the question. Why should somebody pay for manners? Because Google is for free and then easy to use.
In fact, Google will not offer the free AI service. Yeah, if you visit the Google Cloud Google Cloud platform, you will see all the price for the all kinds of the AI services on the Google platform. Yeah, maybe you think you are using their services by for free, but in fact, someone has already paid for that. I have, for example, we do the same things in Manus. For example, if you have developed applications which can identify the animals, you can use the Manus service and use the API, and the developers can pay all the fees for the AI algorithm, and the customers will use them just free. So in my opinion, as I know, the Google's AI service are not free. In another hand, I think if we will the metaverse will be the future. Yeah, the decentralized world will be the future. For the Web 3.0 will be the future. In that conditions, I think it will be a world which is the decentralized. So in a decentralized world, you need to use the services supported or offered by provided by the decentralized. That means in a decentralized world, you need to keep your information and all kinds of your data security. So you need, in that world, the mainly AI service must be provided by a decentralized platform. So I think that is the why Manus will be needed in the future.
Yeah,
and also, yeah.
Owen, I think you have given a very informative answer. To this anonymous magician, you can refer to our website. There is an article trying to lay down what makes Manus or Matrix different from other projects. In that series of articles, we go very deep and then tell what's the advantage, what's the difference, why you should use Manus and why you should Matrix, why our product is more superior. So you can refer to that and then you can ask yourself these questions. And if that doesn't answer your questions, come back to me, my anonymous friend. Okay, and then this is from Easy God's Light. And then this question has 4 sub-questions. Are there plans for more exchange listings of the Matrix AI token? Yeah, this is the number 1. Owen?
Yes, we are looking for some suitable exchanges for the man, and we have do some connecting work for them. And I think to be listed on more best exchanges will be our target in the future. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think this question has been answered before. And the second is, does man have a non-fungible token marketplace?
Not yet. Yeah.
No. Yeah. Right. The answer is no. Because I think when before in our roadmap we are trying to, I think in the very beginning we are trying to build an NFT marketplace, because back then the NFT marketplace is not so popular. But nowadays the NFT marketplace is very mature and very established, and there's no point that we have dedicated team or spending money, time, manpower, etc. to build another NFT marketplace. Because of that, we don't have any uniqueness or kinds of edge to run over our existing matured, established NFT marketplace.
Yeah.
And that's why in this stage 5, we try to develop to mint and then to trade the NFT at other popular NFT marketplace, and that makes more sense. And that's been ready as per the what Owen has shared with us in the very beginning. Yeah. And then third is okay. I don't know what's the question. And then 4 is, would there be rooms for AMA with other innovative Web3 project if approached?
Yes, I think yes, and we'd like to do all kinds of the collaborations with the others innovative Web3 projects, yeah, including the AMA together.
Okay, so that's the all the questions that we have screened for this AMA. Thanks, Owen, for your time, and thanks, matricians, for submitting these questions. And in this students AMA, we have again two sections. One is to sum up what have been delivered for stage 5, and there is some delay because of the COVID, and we are still pushing hard for next month. And then the second is we answer a total of 9 questions, including else question about the other mining sources. Okay, so that's the end of this AMA. Thank you and take care, and best regards to our colleagues in Beijing, because there's a COVID serious situation there still. Okay, take care.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.